Okay, so I'm finished with the landscaping in the rocks. My next step is I'm gonna have to hold my step right here, and I already got it prepped. All is ready for the cement. I probably need probably 2 bags at the most to do that little step. And then I have to do these. I have to get more concrete because I'm gonna do these pavers all the way around this black, above this black weed barrier. I'm gonna do this design, this little design, which is like a mold that you can just buy off of Amazon, eBay, whatever, online. But yeah, you just fill this mold with concrete, and it fill each mold, and it makes a pattern. So this pattern is gonna go all the way around all this black part. So I don't know how many bags of concrete I'm gonna need for this, but it's gonna be a lot. So now I just do one there, and then just do a pattern all the way around this. And I want to come back probably this evening and start on doing the pattern. I'm gonna do the step, then I'm gonna do a few of these to see how it turns out. Yeah, I have to do this all the way around all this black part. But look at the concrete though. That came out so good to say that was me and my son first time doing this. I feel like a professional now, y'all. I'm enjoying this, being outside. I love being outside. Even though it's a little hot, I still love being outside.